Today's side rides will be on the San Pasqual Valley section of the Coast to Crest Trail. The Lake Hodges through San Pasqual Valley part of the Coast to Crest Trail is the longest completed segment and stretches more than 20 consecutive miles. This staging area is at the easternmost point of the completed trail. We were dropped off here and can either make a 20-mile round trip or a one-way ride to Bernardo Mountain Trailhead near the North County Mall in Escondido. One of the bloodiest fights of the Mexican-American War was fought mere steps from this staging area. In 1846, the Battle of San Pasqual. The conflict ended in 1847. This agricultural area is known for citrus and avocado groves, dairy farms, and viticulture. The Isabel Creek Road staging area is about 3 miles from where we started and features a bulletin board, portable toilets, and a parking area. Another 2 miles and we'll be at the Raptor Ridge with its picnic tables and benches and great views. Off in the distance we see San Diego Zoo's Safari Park. It opened in 1972 and its 1,800-acre park hosts 3,000 animals and over 1 million plants. The trail down from the viewing areas at Raptor Ridge narrows and can be a bit tricky, so be careful. The next 5 miles of your ride will be in a fairly flat section of the river bottom. Toward the end of the trail, you will come to the famous Mule Hill. Be sure to stop and read the placards at the monuments along the way. They celebrate early California history with interesting stories that include iconic Kit Carson. Well worth the stop. The Sykes Adobe is also worth a visit, and the golf shop has a good selection of cold drinks. Back we go, heading toward our starting point today. The views to the east seem even more beautiful than before. Today we were both riding mountain bikes, Bull's Copperhead AM1 and AM3. The Coast to Crest Trail is a real gem. When completed, it will be California's crown jewel.